The human desire to push boundaries knows no limits. Biohacking embodies this spirit of exploration, but instead of maps and telescopes, it uses pipettes and petri dishes. In its simplest form, biohacking starts with individuals taking control of their own biology. Think DIY health enthusiasts experimenting with diets, supplements, and exercise regimes to optimize their well-being. But biohacking's scope extends far beyond kale smoothies and marathon training. It delves into the realm of body modification, where the lines between human and machine begin to blur. Imagine implanting devices to monitor glucose levels or using light therapy to influence sleep patterns. These are not scenes from a science fiction novel, but the reality of biohacking today. This exploration into self-improvement through technological and biological manipulation has its roots in the early days of personal computing. Just as hobbyists in the 1970s tinkered with circuit boards in their garages, today's biohackers experiment with gene editing kits and DIY brain stimulation devices. This movement is fueled by a thirst for knowledge, a drive for self-improvement, and a relentless curiosity about the potential of human capabilities. At the forefront of the biohacking movement are the grinders. These individuals embrace technology not just as a tool, but as an extension of themselves. They believe in augmenting their bodies with implants to enhance their senses, abilities, and even their perceptions of the world. Imagine a world where you can unlock your front door with a wave of your hand, thanks to a microchip implanted under your skin. Or picture yourself listening to music streamed directly into your inner ear through a bone conduction implant. These are not futuristic fantasies, but the lived experiences of grinders pushing the boundaries of human potential. While some may view these modifications as extreme, grinders see them as a natural progression of human evolution. They are pioneers in a world where the lines between biology and technology are becoming increasingly blurred, paving the way for a future where human potential is limited only by our imagination. While grinders focus on physical augmentation, neurohackers delve into the uncharted territories of the human brain. Their goal is to enhance cognitive function, boost creativity, and even hack into the very essence of consciousness. They experiment with techniques like transcranial magnetic stimulation and neurofeedback to influence brainwave activity and unlock hidden cognitive potential. Imagine a world where you can learn new languages at an accelerated pace, access heightened states of focus, or even tap into the depths of your creativity on demand. Neurohackers believe these possibilities are within reach through the power of technology and a deeper understanding of the brain's intricate workings. However, the brain is the most complex organ in the human body, and manipulating its delicate circuitry comes with inherent risks. The long-term consequences of these interventions remain largely unknown, prompting calls for caution and ethical considerations in this rapidly evolving field. The discovery of CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing technology has ushered in a new era of possibilities and challenges in biohacking. This revolutionary tool allows scientists to make precise changes to DNA sequences, potentially correcting genetic defects, enhancing desirable traits, and even rewriting the blueprint of life itself. Imagine a future where inherited diseases like cystic fibrosis and Huntington's disease could be eradicated before birth. CRISPR holds the potential to cure genetic diseases, enhance human capabilities, and even extend lifespan. However, the ethical implications of gene editing are profound. The ability to alter the human germline, making changes that would be passed down to future generations, raises concerns about unintended consequences and the potential for creating a new era of genetic inequality. Section 5. The allure and potential of superhuman abilities. The pursuit of superhuman abilities has long captivated the human imagination, from the mythical powers of Greek gods to the extraordinary feats of comic book superheroes. Today, biohacking is pushing the boundaries of what was once considered science fiction, bringing us closer to a reality where superhuman abilities are within reach. Imagine a world where we could see in the dark with night vision implants, lift incredible weights with enhanced musculature, or even communicate telepathically through brain-computer interfaces. While these possibilities may seem like the stuff of fantasy, biohacking is steadily blurring the lines between the impossible and the inevitable. The allure of transcending our limitations and achieving superhuman feats is a powerful motivator. But as we venture into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with caution, carefully considering the ethical, societal, and even philosophical implications of our actions. Section 6. Biohacking gone wrong, health risks and unforeseen consequences. While the potential benefits of biohacking are tantalizing, the risks associated with these experimental practices cannot be ignored. The human body is a complex and interconnected system, and even seemingly minor modifications can have unintended and potentially dangerous consequences. Without proper medical supervision, biohacking interventions can lead to infections, allergic reactions, and even organ damage. Implanted devices can malfunction or be rejected by the body, leading to complications that may require further medical intervention. The long-term effects of many biohacking practices remain unknown. What might seem like a quick fix for enhanced performance or cognitive function could have unforeseen consequences down the line. Section 7. Ethical quandaries playing God or unleashing progress. The rapid advancements in biohacking have ignited fierce ethical debates. Critics argue that tampering with our biology is tantamount to playing God, potentially creating a future where humans are divided into those who can afford to enhance themselves and those who cannot. The potential for genetic engineering to exacerbate existing social inequalities is a valid concern. If we are not careful, biohacking could create a world where the wealthy elite have access to enhancements that give them an unfair advantage in every aspect of life, from education and employment to health and longevity. However, proponents of biohacking argue that it has the potential to alleviate suffering, enhance human potential, and drive progress in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Section 8. Biohacking and society, a new divide or a collective leap forward. The rise of biohacking poses profound questions about the future of humanity. Will it create a new class divide, separating the enhanced from the unenhanced? Or will it usher in an era of unprecedented human progress where we overcome disease, enhance our abilities, and extend our lifespans? The answers to these questions are complex and multifaceted. It is crucial that we engage in open and honest dialogues about the potential benefits and risks of biohacking. We need to establish ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that these powerful technologies are used responsibly and equitably. The future of biohacking is not predetermined. It is up to us to shape its trajectory, to harness its potential for good while mitigating its risks. Section 9. The security threat within, hacking the human body. As we merge our biology with technology, we open ourselves up to a new realm of security risks. Implanted devices, from pacemakers to insulin pumps, are vulnerable to hacking, potentially putting individuals' health and even lives at risk. Imagine a world where hackers could remotely access and control implanted medical devices, disrupting their function or even using them to harm their users. This is not a scene from a science fiction film, but a growing concern in the age of interconnected devices and sophisticated cyber attacks. As biohacking technologies become more sophisticated, so too will the methods used to exploit them. We need to prioritize cybersecurity measures to protect ourselves from these emerging threats. Section 10. The future of biohacking, a call for cautious optimism. The world of biohacking is full of both promise and peril. It has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, enhance human capabilities, and redefine the very essence of what it means to be human. However, it also poses significant risks, from unintended health consequences to the potential for exacerbating social inequalities. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we must proceed with a sense of cautious optimism. We need to embrace the potential of biohacking while acknowledging and mitigating its risks. The future of biohacking is not predetermined. It is a future that we are actively shaping through our choices, our regulations, and our willingness to engage in open and honest dialogues about the profound implications of these technologies. Section 11. Finding the balance, embracing potential, mitigating risks. The biohacking revolution is upon us, and it demands our attention. We must strike a delicate balance between embracing the potential of these transformative technologies and establishing safeguards to protect ourselves from their inherent risks. This is not a task for scientists and policymakers alone. It is a conversation that requires the engagement of ethicists, philosophers, and the public at large. We need to foster a future where biohacking is used responsibly and equitably, where it empowers individuals without exacerbating existing social divides. The decisions we make today will determine the course of biohacking and its impact on humanity for generations to come. Let us proceed with wisdom, foresight, and a commitment to harnessing these powerful tools for the betterment of all.